converting drill battery to lithium. In today's project I will show you how to upgrade your cordless drill battery to lithium for free. Most quality lithium batteries are inside laptop batteries, so we're gonna open that laptop battery and use these batteries that are in good condition. You can see that these are Samsung lithium batteries, and before I use it I tested all of them to see which are better. With electric tape I fixed them all together, and you should have something like this. Soldering the batteries in serial connection to get 14.8 volts for my 14 volt battery drill. Also, you solder two long wires, one for positive and one for negative terminal. Once again I measure the voltage, and you can see that I get 14.4 volts. The two wires, positive and negative, we solder to drill battery terminal, and be careful on which one is positive and which one is negative pole. After fixing the battery to the drill, for charging the batteries I use adjustable voltage regulation, and I set the voltage to 14.4 volts. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy in my video, don't be jerk, like it, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe. See ya!